Hi, it's Michael, and we have a question from Suzanne de Bonhomme from New Zealand. She's wondering if I have some tips for safe diving. So yeah, there are. And we can speak a long term about this, but there are 5 basic rules. First thing you have to know is that you're like jumping in something that you don't know. It's like a wall. Even if you see through it, it is a wall. Imagine that it is a wall. So the first thing that I want you to do is look very well to the shape of your pool. Is it rectangular? Is it round? Where is the deep end? Where is the shallow end? That's the first thing. The second thing, look for objects on the surface, but also underneath the surface. Things that can hurt you or things that can obstruct your dive. Thirdly, you need to plan your dive path. You need to know where you're going to and where you will go to the surface again. You need to check that out. Fourthly, if you dive from a diving board, test the spring. Feel how it reacts, because every diving board reacts differently. And so when testing this, you might feel the good compromise between the spring that you want to give and the dive you will have. And finally, always dive in the deep end of the pool. 99.99% of the accidents occur in the shallow end of the pool. And that's why I think that a diving board is even a safety feature. Because where the diving board is placed, that will be the deep end of the pool and it will be safe to dive. I hope this helps. As told before, I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not an influencer. I do appreciate likes, I do appreciate subscription, but for me the most important are your comments. Give me ideas. Thank you very much.